Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be showcasing the LG Wash Tower. Are you ready to say goodbye to boring, cumbersome laundry machines and hello to a sleek, modern appliance that'll change the way you do laundry forever? Introducing the LG Wash Tower, a true game changer in the world of laundry. There's no doubt that it's an appliance that truly stands out from the crowd. Why? Well, sit back and join us as we take a close look at all the features and benefits that make the LG Wash Tower a must-have for any modern home. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. Firstly, let's talk about construction and aesthetics. The Wash Tower's stainless steel finish is so sleek and modern, it'll make your laundry room look like it's straight out of a magazine. And let's face it, a beautiful appliance is always a plus in any home. Not only does it look great, but it's also durable and built to last. With an ultra-large capacity that can handle up to 20 pounds of laundry, say goodbye to cramped and cluttered laundry rooms and hello to LG Wash Tower. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty, washing and drying performance. The appliance is equipped with LG's innovative Turbo Wash 360 technology, which uses powerful jets to thoroughly clean clothes in less time. It also features 6 motion technology, which uses 6 different wash motions to provide superior cleaning performance. And if you're worried about sensitive skin or allergies, don't fret. The Wash Tower's steam cleaning feature can remove allergens and wrinkles from clothes, leaving them fresh and clean as a whistle. But the washing performance is just the tip of the iceberg. The LG Wash Tower features a sensor dry feature that adjusts drying time based on the moisture level in the clothes, so you never have to worry about over or under drying your clothes again. Plus, the speed dry feature can dry clothes in just 15 minutes, making it perfect for those who are always on the go. Next, let's talk about the ease of use. The LG Wash Tower is also incredibly easy to use, thanks to its intuitive touch controls and large LED display. Plus, the load sensing feature automatically adjusts the water level based on the size of the bed, making it both convenient and energy efficient. Best of all, it has various programs to cater to different types of clothes and fabrics. From bedding to baby clothes, this appliance has got you covered. And let's not forget about the load sensing feature that automatically adjusts the water level based on the size of your load, reducing water consumption and energy costs. Now, when everything is taken into account, the Wash Tower's smart features emerge as a show-stopping highlight. With Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with the LG Think app, you can start and stop the appliance remotely, monitor the progress of your laundry, and even receive notifications when the cycle is complete. And if that's not enough, the Wash Tower is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to control with just your voice. Curious about the motor and power? Oh, you betcha! Let me tell you all about it. If you're anything like us, you want a laundry machine that packs a punch. The LG Wash Tower certainly does not disappoint in that department. Its motor is a real powerhouse with a maximum spin speed of 1,300 revolutions per minute. That means your clothes will come out cleaner, drier, and ready to wear in no time. But wait, there's more. It is also designed to be energy efficient. That's right, you can have your cake and eat it too. With an Energy Star rating, this appliance meets or exceeds energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. So not only will you have the power you need to tackle tough stains, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment. Overall, the LG Wash Tower is a true game changer in the world of laundry. From its sleek design to its powerful motor and energy-efficient features, this appliance has it all. It's packed with innovative technology that not only delivers superior washing and drying performance, but also makes laundry day easier and more convenient than ever before. So if you're tired of the never-ending laundry cycle, we certainly recommend upgrading to the LG Wash Tower. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the LG Wash Tower. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at trustedshopguide.com again soon.